looks so beautiful. Come here. Kia ora e te whānau and welcome or welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Georgie and I like to make videos about my life as a 20-something-year-old vegan, dog mum, sustainability enthusiast trying to make her way in the world. And if that sounds like a little bit of you, please do subscribe to my channel and continue watching for today's video. I wanted to sit down with you guys to begin this video and just have a quick chat. Some of you will be aware that I've recently completed my university degree, which is obviously very exciting. It has kind of stunted my productivity and scheduling. My routine has been warped. Even though I didn't have the best routine while at uni, my routine has kind of taken a back step. My purpose, all of that kind of stuff has been really out of whack lately because I've been at school almost my whole life. 18 to 20 years of being in school consistently, and I've just finished that portion of my life, which has been my whole life. So I'm kind of on a journey now to rediscover and self-discover because I don't know who I am without my education. And not because I don't have purpose, or it's not that education defined me, but it did define my life because everything had to work around my high school, my university, and everything. Like any time I had a job or hanging out with friends or spending time with my whānau would just mean that it had to work around my education. And now I have all the time in the world. I need to find a job, I need to figure out what I'm doing with my life, and I think everyone in their 20s, as far as I'm aware, goes through this like, who am I period, and I definitely feel like I'm stepping into that. I feel lost, to be completely honest with you, but I'm starting to be okay with that. I kind of came to a realization last night that I just need to start doing stuff and stop being afraid of what's ahead and be excited and welcome all the opportunities that I get, realign myself and figure out what I want and how I'm going to get it and how I'm going to make it happen. And the number one thing at the moment is for me to get a consistent, stable job and try and get back into routine so that I can feel a little bit more structured and hone in on my goals a little bit more. I've been completely diving into working for my mum, which has been great, but I haven't given myself the time to do these other things because I get home and I just want to do nothing. I have no motivation. I have still been going to the gym, but that has been purely throughout the winter just to keep my mental health in check, to be completely honest with you guys. I'm going to today do a bit of a refresh in my house, considering it is like spring cleaning season, so I will be doing a bit of that today, just like some general cleaning because I haven't been very consistent with my cleaning schedule. And also Jackson and I have a gig that we're going to tonight, and we'll be helping my mum out with her garden tomorrow, so I'll bring you along to show you a bit of what we're doing there because that's fun and it's good whānau time, and whatever else we get up to. I just wanted to give a little bit of an update to let you know where I'm at. Everything is great, I'm just trying to figure myself out, which is totally normal. I have just doused the whole bathroom in bleach to get that started. look so beautiful. Come here. Oh, you're so beautiful. You had a groom. Huh? Huh? Oh, a big stretch. Whole cleaning schedule's gone askew. We've got these stains from the dogs that we have stay with us on their menstrual cycle. So I've now put some more stain remover and stuff and like soaked it. And then I'm gonna take it to the dry cleaner so we can wash and dry it. And I thought while I'm there, because our couch is made out of like 2 single beds, there's single bed sheets on the couch. The backing of the couch is just lots of large pillows. So they all have pillowcases. So I'm like, we might as well wash all the pillows and pillowcases, wash and dry the sheets that were on the bed. Jackson has the car and he's at work till 5. So all of that will have to be done after 5. The house is kind of tipped upside down, but that's okay because tonight when we're going to the gig, it's not till 10 p.m. and we don't usually stay up that late. So it'll be good having this like cleaning stuff to do because that'll keep us up. We can't sit on the couch until the couch is made. We were planning on going for a run, so I thought we could go put the stuff in the laundromat, go for a run, swap it over to dryer, maybe eat some food or something, and have a shower, and then go back and grab it all and put it all around the house. And by that time it should be about 7 or 8, and we could probably go for a walk into town. And pretty much perfect timing. I mean, Jackson probably won't be too keen on it because he's been at work all day, but it's a good way to keep us awake. I wanted to do a little cleaning hack thing. I showed you how I do my toilet. I found that through TikTok, that you can actually unscrew all of your everyone's toilet lids can be unscrewed and you can clean underneath them. It might be common knowledge and you guys might all know that, but I didn't know that and Jackson didn't know it. So when we found it out a couple weeks ago, after living here for 3 years, yeah, it was pretty shocking to see underneath the toilet seat. There was this other thing I saw on TikTok about the sink drains, about how they can be unscrewed in here. I'm kind of terrified to do that, but I definitely will get around to it. So that's like tip number 2 if you didn't know that. There's like in the middle of the drain a little screwy thing. We don't have something to unscrew it, so I'm not going to do it today. There's a little screwy thing that you can take out and it's got all this gunk in it. My 3rd tip, Karcher. It comes with that, and then it comes with this little spray bottle which you fill up in here. It's to clean your windows, but it also helps in the winter months when condensation and stuff gets on the window. Mold generally builds up, especially in these little rentals around New Zealand. So you just spray all over the window and wipe it down, and then you use the Karcher, and it has this button here and you turn it on and go down your window, and it makes them clean, it keeps everything dry, it stops the mold from building up in your house, and it's just a really great way. I don't know, it's super efficient, and it's just done by, you can just charge it. It's all wireless though, so you can take it around the house, and it was pretty much a game changer for us. So if you are new to flatting, I definitely recommend those 3 things, but the Karcher is a good one. I think when we bought it was $70 or $90. Just go to Bunnings and find them there. I'm now dressed and ready for our run. This is a little Amen set. The bedroom is a mess. The Ecosia protector is off. We're gonna take it to the laundromat. All the sheets are ready to go on the bed. We just need to wash that stuff. So I've got 2 bags of the laundry stuff. House is a mess, just waiting for Jackson to get home. And then we're gonna go for a walk. Do you wanna go for a walk, Kai? Do you wanna go for a run? Yeah. We've decided not to go to the gig because there's no tickets left. Eating ice cream, just had dinner, and watching Guardians of the Galaxy. Look, buddy. Now we have finished the garden. We're finishing up for the day with a lovely, lovely meal, which I'll show you in a second. And just loving being in nature today. It's been a really nice sunny day. Lots of vitamin D, probably very sunburnt, but that's okay.